the news is as unpredictable as Utah real estate market, but sit back and enjoy this beautiful home by Edge Homes. Floor plan, The Morgan. When you're relocating or investing, it's not just about square footage. It's about finding something that works now and years from now. This is The Morgan by Edge Homes, designed for flexibility, built for real life. Let's take a look. Here in Saratoga Springs, this living space gives you volume and light, two things that immediately make a home feel more open and more livable. Two-story ceilings keep it bright all day, and it's the kind of layout that feels good with people in it, or when it's just quiet. The kitchen connects directly to the dining and living areas, which means the home functions as one complete space. Whether you're entertaining, watching kids, or just getting through the weekday routine, nothing feels disconnected here. Loft upstairs continues that versatility. Homework zone, game room, quiet nights, you decide. The primary suite is positioned for privacy and comfort. The bath layout is practical, nothing wasted. Two additional bedrooms up here are clean, well-sized, and evenly balanced. It's easy to use these however you need. That's what you want in a long-term investment, smart, usable design. Right now, Edge is offering up to 6% in concessions, which can reduce your monthly payment, cover your closing costs, or help you customize this space to fit your needs. Whether you're relocating, investing, or starting fresh, this is a floor plan that adapts. This is The Morgan by Edge Homes. If you like this floor plan, reach out, we'll go tour it. If you didn't, don't worry. There's 199 builders, and I know all of them. Let's go take a tour.